We out here, Travs Fireworks in Indiana. Let's go inside. Okay, we in here. Let's start over here with all the assortments, family packs. Start over here with all the assortments and the family packs. Some small ones. Yeah, they're pretty stocked up. America, Blockbuster assortment, the grits. Night display. Woo. Oh, they got a lot of them. Ooh, this Pyroplanet one looks nice. Got shells and everything in there. Total Destruction. The Big Show by Great Grizzly. An assortment. Cake assortment, looks like. Look up there. That's what comes in them. Bed rail. That's a good one. There's your price. High def. American Celebration. Secret Agent. One Bad Mother. In-law. Midnight Sunburn. Old classics from World Class. Fighting Rooster.
Yo, Rico, look at that military tank right there. That's a classic.
Yeah, that looked good.
And that's a good tank. That's a good cake.
Military tank. Travs pick. $44.99. Little Noabs. Go Gorilla. Trying to go slow. With this little big store. Another classic, Wacky Tobacco. Angry Beaver. Little 2-inch Noabs. Oh, this one looks good. Red, white, and blue forever. There's your price. Bombshell. Poison. This one right here I seen. This one, Believe, very nice. Nuclear Winter, Casanova. Ooh. Oh, look at this cake. Oh, shit. It's a 12 on the board. Look at that. Danger, Danger, Danger Banger. Oh, this is nice. What was that by? I don't even see it. There's your brand. Mother of All Bombs. Another famous 9 on the board by Winda. Graffiti. Duty Calls. Boss Lady. Brothers Double Down. Fire and Ice. Conqueror. Flyover. This is good. I had that one, yeah. Very good. Oh. Everybody knows what this is.
Yeah, and this.
Life of the Party is your dad's. Life of the Party is dad's favorite. It's beautiful. Obviously, we're doing
No. Listen.
Some
This is
Phantom
where
Rockets.
jet propulsion on steroids. That's a good cake.
That's nice. Neon Jellyfish. Raccoon. Life of the Party. Little single shots.
This. That's it right here.
What the hell? Now let's flip over to the other side. Some rocket. Oh wait, hold up. Let's get over here. Sky lanterns, smaller rockets, split wing missile. Little missiles.
Like I said, it's
Oh wow, what's this all about? Showtime, okay. Little loose missiles in here. They look cool. And Great Grizzly pre-made racks. All right, let's go back to the rockets. Bottle rockets. Pound rockets. Trying to go slow as I can. More bottle rockets. Freedom rings. Some black cat. Can't, what does it say? Three-peat rocket. I guess it's a triple break. Sounds pretty cool. Rocket assortment. More bottle rockets. What are these? Some generic vampire rockets. Great Grizzly. Roman candle. 100 rapid fire, yeah. Rapid fire. What are these little guys right here? Interesting. Nah, they're just little color rockets, I think. Another rocket assortment. More big Roman candles. X Factors. Roman candle assortments. Sun rings. Oh, these were nice. These were nice. Yeah, these are nice. Sun ring rockets. Cyber cannons. Rocket assortment. Wow, what are these things? Mini Roman candles. Yo, look at these things. How little they are. They're small little Roman candles. Yo, that's pretty cute, man. Spitfire. These look good. Paparazzi. Fire. That's the brand. Those are $11.99. Super candle. $13.99. Yeah, I'll drop back so you can see how big they are. Light ups from Coronas down there. More Roman candles. Now we're in the firecrackers. World Class, Thunder Bombs, Black Cat, Lady Crackers. Oh wow, can't find those anymore. Might grab those. Glass crackers, jitterbugs, M5000. Loose ones, I guess. You got your rolls, 1,000, 8,000, 16,000. Little torpedo snaps. Camo crackers. I think they're like snaps like these. Those World Class multis. The big 2,000 rolls, 16,000 rolls. Some novelties, the satellites, jitterbugs, crackle balls, speed demons, spinners, all your little flyers and stuff like that. Star Blazer, $6.99. What's this? Small bees, those little spinners. Magic crystals, classic oldie. A few more different Roman candles up top. Your satellite, whatever you call those, I forgot. Tears for Fear. $81.95. Alright, looks like you got your fan cakes, Deadly Catch, Sheets of Shining Sea, Neon Peacock, 1,000 gram display cake. Oh, look at this one. This one looks pretty cool, huh? 182 shots. $149.99. Absolute Pyro by Power Keg. Combat Zone. Frontlines. Country Boy. Iron Dome. I'll give you a down the aisle look. We're going to flip over to the next aisle. Here's Solid Gold. Pyro Planet. Oh, here's those. These are good. Yo, these are nice. These willow shells, yeah. By Great Grizzly.
I remember somebody telling me about
Firefly, it is Bluetooth.
Power Keg, 156 shots. All right. Here we go with the smaller cakes, I believe. You got Pyro Planet here. Diamond Sky. Radical Red. Electric Lime. Laser Lemon. Cyber Grape. Cosmic Cobalt. Electric Lime. All the separate color cakes. Blast Off. Sky Comet. That's a nice comet cake. You want to do a show? Twitter Glitters. Southern Salute. 50. All that glitters. Shock Factor. Oh. Nishiki Bomb. That's a 76 cake. My boy Jess from that's a nice waterfall cake by Dominator. Red, white, and blue. Bada Bing. Cutting Edge. American Legends. National Airborne Day. CE90. Cutting Edge. Good stuff. Some little cakes. They got it mixed up here. Last Stand. Final Four. Cutting Edge. Rock Ripper. GTX 3300. American Eagle. Ghost Blasters. $30. Canon brand. Raise You. Another Cutting Edge cake. Meltdown. Safety Rules. I had that long time ago. Not bad. Neon Night. Big Power. Wide Open Throttle by Canon. Martian Bombers. Martin Bombers. Piranha. Cool label. Imperial Wizard. Pharaoh's Fortune. It's all cutting edge stuff. Classic for years and years for the kids. Survival of the Fittest. Warrior Recon. So with the big dog, baby. Mega Banger. Real Thing. Party Loud. Some prices. Big Dog, Real Thing. Final Cut. Top Secret. There's that price. I'll do my best to get the prices. United We Stand. Incognito, Hunter, Happy Clown Bomb, Nightlife, Extreme Ride, I'll Be Back, Last Stand, Patriotism, Price is Here Again, We Want You, Infantry, Joyride, Killer Alligator, Heavy Hitters, Game Time, freaking Laser Shark, $42.99, $23.99 on that one, $28.99 on that one. Riddle Me This, Power, Monster Batching. They have a lot of cutting edge stuff here, I see. Okay. Boss, $40. Stretch, Beauty and the Beast, Extreme Machine, Dirty Little Secret, $47.99. American King, Hot Dog, One Bad Mother, Asian Sensation, another classic world-class cake right there. That's a good one. This is a good little 200 grammer. Used to be my favorite back in the day. $21.99. Tank Girl, Kill Bill, $49.95. Flicker, $26.99. Big Gun, AI, everybody knows that one. Good Cake, Honey Badger, $26.99. At It Again, all those little tiny cakes, $10.99, $4.99. Trigger Happy, another good classic, world class Sexy Rider is $44.99. Proud, little tiny, little handheld cake, $4.69. Captain Jake, Clown Skull, Just Hanging, adults only. Cover Your Ears, little cakes. American Trucker, $56.99. Chaos, Evil Clown. That's a good one. Not in my yard. That's nice artwork right there. $44.99. Fire and Fury, Starburst. All right, we got to speed this up a little bit. American Muscle. Got stuff up on the top. Copper Stroke. That looks pretty cool. Oh, Power Cake.
Nice spot, man.
Yeah, they have a nice selection here. American Riders, America's Pastime. Quick zip on the prices. Oh, look at this little 9 on the board. Cute little fucking thing. Got your fuses. Cannon fuse. Alright. Oh, this is good, this one. Oh, look at that black cat right there. Nice. We're going to fly through this aisle. Unravel. Tiger Tail. Good cake.
Yeah.
$24.99. Skull Island. Purple Passion. Silver Salute. That's Like It Crazy. Twisted. Welcome to Fabulous Vegas. Wow. 200-foot palm. Happy Family, Pirates, Booty, Treasure Chest, Street Fight. They got Black Cat stuff here too now. Oh, I see how they do it. Purple Monster.
Oh,
There's a Copper Strobe. Yeah. Look at this thing. This looks interesting, right? 25 zombies.
I don't know.
Yeah, look at this. Yeah,
It might look like a little special.
that special one over there. That I know. Big Boom, Gangsta Blast. Yeah, that's interesting, that zombie one.
Yeah, it is.
Purple Passion, I don't know if I got that. Silver Palms, Regal Celebration. The gender reveal cakes. Color changing bursts. Look at this. Yo, 20 color changing bursts. That looks a little special too. That looks good, man. Loud color changing bursts.
Look at Tweaked Out. Sea Monster.
Release the Kraken. Black Magic. Double Whammy. Bright Star. Tweaked Out. Yeah. That looks like a few people I know. Sea Monster. That old vintage look label. $49.99. Gold Digger. Hooked. Cowboy Up.
Yo.
There's the Raccoon, America's First. Make America Great Again by Winda. Oh, this I like. Mob Boss. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah. How you doing?
Hey.
Night Reaper. Mob Bosses. $32.99. Fireworks Fiesta. Old time classic there. The Willie. The Blues by Power Keg. Brocade Crown. And Blue Peony. Wow. That's an interesting cake. Who makes this? Wow. Nice packaging. There's no brand on it. What does that tell you? Loud and Nasty. Wide Open. Outrageous. Power. Forbidden Night. And the Summer. I'm trying to speed this up, but we have to go. Another classic, Pure Fantasy. That's a Fountain by Brothers. Sea Blaster. Grills and Chill. Mobile Menace. Hit the Road, Jack. $39.99. Martin Barmer's Golden Peacock. Bling Bling. Another oldie. Zonkers. Open Fire. We're in the Brothers section now. Saturday Night Special. $52.99. Forever Diamonds. Kings of Kings. Wicked Cool. Shotgun Wedding. Screamer. Alien Uprising. $45.99. Surf's Up. $63.99. Superpower. Little stuff. Curtain Call. Uncle Sam's Answer. After Hours. Double Crossed. Glitch. Triple Break Cake by Great Grizzly. Lightspeed. Fighter Pilot. The Great Grizzly stuff. Poison Ivy. Let It Eat. Twin Turbo. Cherry Bomb. Rose Grenade. Thunderhead. $74.99. Sidewinder. Hellbound. Bad Moon Rising. Grizzly Growler. Twice as Nice. Rock the Block. Warning, 2-minute super finale. Love the artwork on some of these cakes. Copperhead Snake. On the rocks. Here we go. All right, let's flip over to the shells, the artillery shells. Party USA. Homeland Favorites, Statue of the Union, or State of the Union, my bad. All right, save the best for last. Horror shells, power keg. The zombie blasters. Big bad ash shells, Great Grizzly. Premium pistol shells. Continuums, Pyro Planet. Exterminator, Mega Banger, Everest. Prices $64.99. Black Knight, $74.99. Quests, Diablos, Black Cat, Quest 100. Okay, we got the Diablos, Neon Nightmare with mines, $69.99. There they are. Yes, mine shell. Snake Eyes, $74.99. Event Horizons, $52.99. Predator canister, no price. Oh, here they are. XL 5 at each. There they are, better view of them. Unleash the Beast. Who's your Ball Busters? Neon Double Break, ball shells. Neon Nashikis. Now these look badass right here. Neon Nashikis, $128.99. Let me see the brand. This is some, I think. I can't see the brand. That's their brand, I believe. Their store brand. Barely Legal, Lock and Loads. Camo canisters. Lock and Loads. Got that assortment. Trilogies. Burning Rings of Fire. Black Cat, $32.99. Critical Acclaim. Oh, they're back. Oh, they changed the packaging. $35.99. Merlins. Those are $49.99. Star Spangled Banners. The little kits by Great Grizzly. Whistling shells, artillery shells. Elite 8s. Power keg artillery shells. And nothing other than the Excalibur. $79.99. Okay. The last aisle. We're gonna fly through this. Okay, I got some singles. Parachutes, I believe. Yeah, daytime parachutes. Smoke show. Oh, look at this. That's nice. Smoke cakes. Never seen those before. Yo. This is that new thing. 250 parachutes. Brothers. Yo, that's badass right there. Yeah, they're crazy here. Sparklers. Morning Glories, the Old Faithfuls, yo, there's the snow cone, centrifuge.
You just tell them what that tombstone does.
Yeah. Nightmare, some fountains. What's this thing? Neon torch. Like a torch, I guess it's just color. Cat fight. Psychedelic. One bad granny. What is these? Roman candle fountains. Those are fountains. Bug zapper. Lemonade moonshine. That was good. Blueberry moonshine by Pyro Planet. There's a price. Apple pie moonshine. Yo, shut up, man. Shut up.
This one.
$19.99.
You guys want to be in a Party at Travs commercial?
Amazing.
Why is the answer to that question always no? Every time.
For
Same thing.
they're about to film a commercial.
Avery, you
And
can
slide
just
by.
shot. You can just be like, you can be like, this is the one.
Awesome tripod.
Yeah, they're about to film a commercial here. We got to get out of the way. Some fountains. White noise. These are all the fountains. Smoke items. Smoke grenades. World's strongest fountain. Thunder show. Some sparkling wheel. Novelties, your poopy puppy, your crackling balls, some tanks, flyers, ground blooms, novelty items.
So now we're gonna go.
A couple of more family packs there. Some hens laying eggs, jumping jacks, or loose stuff. Little fountains, some pro strobes, all your little items, snappers, party poppers, little fountain assortment, and that wraps it up, guys. So this is Travs Fireworks in Indiana. Stopping through, figured I'd do a nice walkthrough for you guys. I'll leave the information in the description of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.